Let's start coloring by learning the names of colors. So here is purple color, sky blue color, green color, orange color, red color, pink color, yellow color, and the last one is parrot color. Now it's time to color a cactus. How many cacti can you see? So here are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 cacti.